In this video, I will guide you how you can delete Exness account. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, you need to open up your email client and create a new message addressed to support@exness.com. Now you can also do this by simply opening up your Exness trading platform and clicking on chat on the bottom right of your screen. And once you are in, you can ask the support to delete your account. Or the other ways, you just need to type request for Exness account deletion in the subject line of your email. Then you need to provide the following details in the email: your Exness account number and the email address associated with your account. Clearly state that you want to delete your account and optionally add a reason for the account deletion, because in the support they also ask for a particular reason. So make sure to provide all of the details and then send the email. Exness will process your request and you should receive confirmation within 5 business days. So hope this helped. This is how you can delete Exness account.